gotta hit it faster than that.
Fucking snowplow.
And just like that, we're back at camp. Just getting more fuel in the generator. We're gonna start getting everything prepped to start cooking dinner. So we're gonna get the fire ring dug back up. They're going to grab it right now, but get this bad boy started again. Alright, Vinny just brought up a good idea. We've been bajaing through the trails all day, and since we installed that catch can, we're gonna check. Ooh, it's warm in here. We're gonna check how much is in there. So it says to do this every 500 miles to empty this out, and I mean, I'm probably 1,500, 2,000 miles, so we'll find out how full this is. And if you just want to check, you don't want to take the canister, it also has the dipstick. But since we actually do have to empty it, considering it's been a decent amount. So look at all that just sludgy nastiness that you're saving from going into your engine. Not bad. So I'll take that over not having it. Oh yeah. So I mean, but look at all, you can see all those little black specks in there. Yeah. Who was the company again? So it's ADDW1. That's the company. Makes super high quality stuff, so highly recommend. So, you know, like I said, it's not going to get completely full, but they still recommend swapping it out every 500 miles. Just take it, dispose of it properly, and put it back in. We got Tim here, the master Boy Scout, just whittling away. He's going to get us a fire going.
All natural. Too.
All natural. None of that cheating shit. Any tips for the viewers, Tim?
No.
No, just do it.
These are all just big secrets.
Big secrets, family secrets, passed down from generations.
No.
What we got going on here?
Just a little aspergas. little taters.
Taters.
We got some steaks.
We got the open fire going.
Got the fire going. We're gonna be getting.
Tim is treating us nice. Takes care of his boys, right? Yeah. Vinny over here seasoning the steaks. Of course, we got the old Clausen pickles. The only pickle to get, right?
That is a fucking staple of every trip. Is fucking Clausen's.
Everything's turning out pretty nice.
Steak on a stick.
Not bad.
Let's cut into these bad boys.
Alright, now be honest. What are you looking forward to most? Steak, potatoes, asparagus?
Probably this post-meal shit is not going to be fun. But this steak is delicious. No, I really like those potatoes Tim makes, so...
Yeah, he does a good job on those. Got the green beans steaming up now. Okay, alright. Everything else is sizzling away. And we got our wind down after dinner. Getting a little cleaning done. Getting the fire going nice. This will probably be it for tonight because it's going to get dark unless we're back in the trailer, but we might go hit the trails for a little bit. Okay. If we do, we'll be sure to let you know. Oh yeah. So, if not, we'll see you in the morning. Up and at 'em bright and early. What's going on, guys? Getting some coffee started, getting our biscuits and gravy going, and we got Tim outside. Ugh. cooking food the old school way. Don't mind his ass.
Don't mind my ass.
We got a little sausage.
Now over here we got some biscuits going.
Look at that. We eat pretty good while we're up here.
Like kings.
Man, last night you saw we had steak, potatoes, veggies, eggs, sausage, biscuit, and gravy. Can't complain. So, we got into some sticky stuff. And Brent's transmission lines that we just got done doing Thursday night.
For some reason, everyone else has luck with stainless steel braided lines, but this fucking kid, this one just decides to blow.
Just get fucked.
So, I need those dikes again, please.
So
So now we're on the, I don't know, what, a state park?
We're ORV trailhead.
Trying to do some fix with some braided line so we can get back home.
it's fun stuff.
Yeah, that's what these adventures are all about, right?
Mm-hmm. Is it really off-roading if you don't break something?
Alright, so as you saw earlier, yeah, we had a little bit of a transmission issue. So the stainless steel braided line that was the return for the transmission right there, the line itself was actually leaking. So I don't know if it was an internal failure somewhere along the line, but it was dripping out, so we had to basically cut out the back auxiliary cooler, bypass that, and just maintain using the front cooler and the grill, the factory one. So it's not a big deal. We just put the AN fitting back on the good line. That's all good, taken care of. Temperatures are holding good. Obviously, it's still a stock system, and so it's designed and proven to work. We just got to the main trail or road we were trying to get to. This is next to a military firing range up in Grayling. Big open roads, nice turns. So we're gonna hit the open road here, get some good footage, and see how she runs. Are they?
I can smell them.
Well, she seems like she's driving good.
Oh god, if I could just focus on the rear brakes.
Yeah, that addition will help a lot, I feel like.
Big time.
It felt good. I feel like I slowed down a little. I probably could have hit it with a little bit more speed.
Do you want to try it again?
If I had a cage, yeah.
Alright, let's keep it going.
We're going.
Huh.
and then I rolled to here, going through those puddles. They were probably hit them too fast, but it didn't want to start. So I was like, and I was like, okay, hold on. And I got it to like half start for a second, and I shut it down. I got it started, and it's running rough. So we might be calling it for this weekend.
Sounds like you got a little cam build going on.
Gearbox is so.
All right, guys. Further investigation. We pulled the intake. We got, as you can see, some water right here. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but if you move the throttle body flap, and you can, I'm not gonna be able to show you. Anyways, there's a decent amount of water in the back of the manifold back there. So more than likely she's probably hydrolocked. So we're going to pull some plugs, see if we can get some water out of there. If not, we might be leaving that camp and coming back. We'll keep you updated. Alright, well, now that Vinny possibly, more than likely, hydrolocked his truck, it's turned into a rescue mission now. So Tim just dropped me off at the truck, got the trailer. We're going to try and load up his truck in the trailer. The only problem is his truck with the 37s might be pushing the inside diameter of the trailer with the wheel wells. So we're gonna try. Had to do some quick measurements, see what works. We're gonna give it a shot, but at this point it's a rescue mission.
What are you doing, bud?
Brake calipers.
Take the brake caliper off.
Tie it up out of the way.
Yeah.
Alright, so problem one, we're gonna be too wide up front to get in the trailer, so we're trying the spare tires for the trailer. It's the same bolt pattern as the truck. The issue is the inside diameter of the wheel isn't clearing the caliper, so we're gonna try taking the caliper off and then seeing if we can squeeze it on there and then push the trailer in. Nice and tight. You know what? I don't even think you need those. Do you have any dikes? Just cut the brake.
Yeah,
we don't.
who the fuck needs front brakes?
Yeah.
All hoon handle, dude.
All hoon handles. Look at that.
Where you put the lug nuts?
They're right where you put them.
Right in my pocket. This is what it's all about. You build a truck, you build a project, anything.
I was told if you wanted to get big on YouTube, you had to destroy your shit. I love it too much.
It's okay, we got 48 hours to get back on the road.
So, full teardown rebuild, 48 hours?
LS3, maybe with a supercharger.
We can get it delivered.
I got a couple guys we can call. Hey, I say we just send it with those. I'm telling you, dude.
It's basically a drag truck.
Yeah.
I know, fucking skinny tire in the front, big meats in the rear.
Let's get a profile shot.
Hard.
Look at that, boys. Not bad.
We haven't installed the winch into the trailer like we've talked about a million times.
We
So,
have it. It's in there.
It's in there.
Not
Just
installed.
Not bolted up. So now we are doing a bunch of come-alongs and pulleys. Still rolling. How's the wheel on the other side?
I mean, you're in between them. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters. We're not even rubbing.
Head in.
Oh, and there's a board that's
Okay. Foot on the brake, Vinny. Alright, you're good.
Okay, I'm off the brake. Hold on!
Hold.
Hold on! How close are we at the front? How much room we got?
About 1.5 inches.
Okay, and how much room we got in the rear? Can we close the door?
I don't know, let's check.
Did I bump it?
Oh. Oh, we may be fucked, boys. We can go
Oh, we're
forward a little bit.
I'm near buried myself.
Multiple times. Just digging holes in the old Cummins. But she fit. That's what's important. And how's it going? You're not able to get out?
Hold on, Kyle! Hold on, Kyle! This is gonna be rough!
Stay skinny. Alright, note to self. We got a chainsaw. Do you want to cut a service door?
Probably. Take that too. Okay.
I use the door handle as a footstep.
Alright, who ripped ass?
Sorry. Don't crush my shit. That was me.
That was you. It smells like natural gas.
Oh, it is. No. We gotta get tires and stuff in here. Oh, good.
And the bed.
And the bed on top.
Like inches or what? Half inches?
Like, I couldn't see. I just knew it closed. I don't know. Like, it's bulging here, so I have to imagine we're hitting the bumper. Whew! She in there. As you can see, we are putting a new spare on because the other spares are on the truck to be able to get it in here. So, this has been a hell of an adventure, but thanks for watching another episode of Caswell Customs. As always, Vinny here. Brent, if you're interested in sending us anything or having us test out any products, maybe a new LS7, maybe?
Texas speed.
Texas Speed, hit us up. P.O. Box in the description. It's Caswell Customs. Brent, see you in the next one.
You stole my